Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how you can integrate Thinkific with Sertifier. Now, what you get out of this integration is, once you integrate both of these apps, you will have the feature where any student who finishes the course that you pick from Thinkific will be receiving a automated credential from Sertifier with the details that you have formerly set. So it's an automation on your students receiving their credentials through both applications. Now, how we can achieve this is, first we start from our Thinkific application and we go into the apps, which I am here right now. And then you can press Visit App Store to get a full list of all the products that Thinkific has to offer for integrations. And we search Sertifier, we find it, and then you can start the integration flow by clicking Install. Now, once you click, it's going to take you to a consent page where it will tell you about our scope and how much data we collect and all of those kind of information. You can go ahead and press accept, and then it will redirect you to the application, to the Sertifier app. Now, I was already logged into the app, so it redirected me directly into the integrations tab. And when I scroll down right here, I can see now that my Thinkific integration is active, so both of my accounts are now connected fully. If I was not logged in, it would have redirected me to our login page where I could log into my account and the same result would happen. So it's not really an issue, but it would be easier if you're already logged into your Sertifier app. Now that our integration is active and set, we can go ahead and set up the credential that is going to be sent once the students finish the courses on the Thinkific side. And for that, we go into our integrations tab. Here we press create new integration. Now we see that we can select Thinkific here and it opens a drop down. Now this drop down is important because what this essentially does is you select the course which you want to be automated. Once you open it, you will see a full list of all the courses that you have active on your Thinkific LMS, and I'm going to pick my course and then I'm going to press next. Now, once you're at this stage, it's the usual Sertifier credential setup. You can find a lot of tutorials about this inside of the Help Center, but what we're essentially going to do is collect all of the different entities which we have prepared before and put them in our campaign. Now, the first thing we do is you can of course change the name if you want. This will only be seen by you, so it won't affect your users. Then we move on to the details. Now I already have my detail here. If you don't, you can create a new one and then select it. Then we come back, we select a design for our credential, and for the last step, we select an email template. Now that everything is selected, we can set our from name. For the from name, I'm going to enter test. For the subject, again, let's write test. And now we can go ahead and press save. Now, once we press save, you can see that our tab has changed and we're now in the active tab and our integration is currently in active status. What this means is everything is fully set up right now and is finished. Once a user finishes the course that we picked at the start of the integration step, they will receive the credential that we have set up right here. And that credential will be formed of the data containing the detail, the design, and the email template that we have formerly set. You can see from the top right corner that the active switch is on, so everything is ready to go. If you have any more questions regarding this integration or any other issue that you might see in our application, you can always contact us at support@sertifier.com or use our help center to find any information that you would like.